Mikel Arteta reviews secretly to why they lost the matches of the Premier League this season. As of course, everybody believes that Arsenal Football Club is going to win the Premier League. And in fact, most of the people believed on that, but things changed immediately as they started losing their points, starting with the home game against Manchester City. As he used to say that was just one among of the frustrative match, as the players were just out of the game, as of course they created a lot of chances, and it was just one among of the rememberable the game to remember, as of course it's a game that has knocked them out as insurance to win the Premier League this season, as they lost that game for almost 3 goals over 2, as the goals scored by Erling Haaland and Kevin De Bruyne. And in fact, that was just one among of the baddest game, and therefore they started drawing. They started getting the draw results for almost 2 games. Something which was just a reason for them to be disappointed. In fact, Mikel Arteta says, despite those results to happen, now they just not think about what happened, and now they are just focused on the next games, as their plan is to make sure that they win the last matches of the Premier League. But the questions that many people used to ask this club is, can Manchester City lose the 2 consecutive games? Can Manchester City lose their games? Because those are the ones who have been leading the table of the Premier League this time, as